Hey guys, we received this mygreen Tokyo Tote Messenger backpack, convertible tote bag, and backpack for test and try. So this fits a 15.6-inch laptop, and this can be a versatile look. It can be used or carry on by various purposes or various style, and that I will show to you. So this bag is around 12.6 inches in the width and around 5.5 inches in uh, the sides and 15.7 inch in the length. So you can see that it have a multiple way, like you can use these handles to carry this bag, and also like this have this a small thing or the attachment to lock. So inside you can put a 15.6-inch laptop very easily with this velcro thing, and also it's have this waterproof covering from inside, so you can easily put in the stuff in here. There are a lot of pockets inside, and you can put all your documents, your mobile, your things, and you have the backpack. So you have these straps that you can adjust, and you can use it as a backpack as well. So there is a side strap as well, or the shoulder strap. So you can use this shoulder strap as well to put this back. So there is actually three or four ways to use this bag for, like the shoulder strap, hand strap, backpack, and then also in a travel luggage. So this is a nice thing, and you can store a full 15.6-inch laptop in here, and then you can put in the stuff as a messenger bag as well. So overall, this is a nice, excellent quality material, as I can feel it from here, waterproof, and the zipper pockets are nice too, with the front zipper pocket as well to store your important document that you don't need to open the whole bag in, and then also like the side thing like a good bag. So you can see the total shape and the size. So while putting in all the stuff, you can see that this bag looks really nice, and you can use that with this handle, like the hand strap, and also with this shoulder, and then you can see the front zipper to put in your important papers and things. So two zipper to put everything in, and then really a great and nice design to use on your travel or anywhere for the office and put on the luggage, like the way whatever you want to do with it. So very nice, backpack with the different styles.